your hand there. Put it like this.
I'm
Put it like this. Put it there. It's for content.
I don't
put your hand.
Alright, you put your hand.
Okay, do it. Do it. If you fucking hit my hand, I will fucking lose it.
Go.
Don't purposely hit my hand. Go. Just do it. Just do it. Please don't hit my hand. Okay, I did it. You put your hand. I did it.
No,
I did it. I did it.
I don't trust you. No, put your hand there again.
Why?
I'm trusting.
You're gonna hit my fucking finger.
I'm
it's gonna go through my fucking bone, and I'm gonna fucking.
Your hand's not even on the board.
Oh my god! Were you actually gonna hit me?
One more time.
No, you go.
You're not trustworthy.
I'm not trustworthy?
No.
I'll aim up top 3 times right now. Bang! 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 Get your fucking hand over there. Put your hand. You can't freak me out like that, and then I accidentally fucking hit your fucking ACL.
You're aiming at my hand.
Oh! That
Look, that
no!
hit me.
Counting the money, okay, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in the field. Buy me a flight from the 8 in the moon. Niggas is worried, don't know what to do.
Fucking weirdo like
So what am I saying?
I can't. Oh my god, today we're doing a video! No, I can't do that.
What's up, everybody? We're back with another YouTube video. I'm Dylan, you're Jesse. Say the fucking rules. Say it!
We're not FaZe Rug, we're like Noke.
No FaZe Rug.
talks.
Hashtag JDon, or shout out
Okay,
JDon.
Noke just talks.
What do we say?
We don't have to fucking be and be like,
We're 10 videos in and we still look like idiots.
Please subscribe to our channel or we're gonna die. No, we don't have to fucking do that. Okay, ready?
Alright, I'm sorry.
Today we are gonna be fake construction workers. We're gonna stop traffic for no reason, see how long they'll sit there with the stop sign.
We got a cone right here.
First we're gonna slow them down and then we're gonna stop them. And let's see how this fucking goes. Like the video, comment with more ideas and we'll do anything you guys want and let's fucking
go. Woo!
Yeah, just put it down. They're working, like lay face down. Yeah.
I'm pretending to cut up some steak on a fucking dinner plate. That's what I'm doing. It looks like I'm jacking off.
Hey, look at this car. It's so far away.
Redirect them. Redirect it and tell them to turn around.
I will. It's only gonna take a minute. I know, but what he's doing, we don't want to hit the pipe.
Did you redirect them? No? You're good. You're good. You're good. You can go straight. He doesn't get it. Slow it down. Slow the whole I'm literally doing nothing here.
It'll only take a minute. No, I know. It's okay.
Manny Cave Rock. I'm like a caveman now. How many we got? Set my ass. Slap my ass. Slap my ass. This way. Come around here. Turn here. Turn this way. You can go that way.
That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't hit, I don't slay. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess I'm.
Stop! Stop!
Step in front of the car. Go in front of the car.
Give me a second. Are we good, Joe?
Not yet. 2
Not
minutes.
yet?
2 minutes.
2? No, you're good. Sorry. Wait! Wait! There's construction! Wait! Wait! Slow this way. Come this way. You're good. Come on. Cone here. There's a fucking cone here. Wait.
Wait, stop. Please, stop her.
Wait. Is this good?
No. 2 minutes.
2? 2 minutes! Everybody wait for a second. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Joe, are we good?
Holy shit, there's a lot of cars.
Don't laugh. Wait!
Oh shit.
All right, Joe, are we good here? Let me know when I'll direct them right now.
What do you think they're
All right, you, come here. Come here, you. Wait, slow. Stop, stop, stop. You're good.
Hey, go up to this car. Say, when I say stop, you have to stop. This is a federal law.
Wait, federal law. Federal law.
Hey, move the cone for the guy and put it in front of the white car. Put it in front of the white car.
Stop! Stop! All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. All right, you're good. Come on, let's go. You're good.
Hey, switch with me. Hey, come switch with me.
Switch here. Stop! Stop! Wait! Wait! Relax!
Wait.
Relax!
Hey, there's a big boulder in the road, and we're trying to get it. Yeah, we can't get it off.
Jill, I don't think it's working, man. It's not working. I'm gonna call dispatch. 49er, 109er. I don't think it's gonna work. We need battle. It's not working. Chester just called me. It's just, it's the boulder in the road. There's a boulder stuck in the rock, and then there's one. We gotta fix the thing. Whoa! I didn't say everybody go. Whoa! All right, you're good. You can come in, right in front of the Toyota.
Stop. You got him stopped?
Yeah, I got him stopped. Stop. You're welcome. Have a good day. Come on. You're good. So wiring good, Joe, or no? Is it fucked up?
No, we're good.
Good? Okay. Good?
Yeah.
All right, everybody go. Let's go. Let's go. Abruptly stop someone.
Yeah.
Wait. It's gonna left, U-turn or straight? Straight? Okay. Move. Joe, move that cone.
Not yet.
Not yet?
You can let them go.
Come on, you, slow. Wait. Is that thing good there?
Wait.
What the shit?
Wait.
You don't see the hole here? You don't see this hole right here? There's a fucking hole here. Can't do my job right. There's a fucking hole there.
So now we're gonna make cars do U-turns, and we're gonna see how this goes. I guarantee the cops come. It's gonna be so funny.
Yeah, if the cops come, then that's more content. So I don't give a fuck.
Or that way. No, this way only.
This way? Where are you going? Lantana? Okay, go straight. Slow.
No. He has to go around.
He has to go left?
Yeah.
Left. You gotta make a left
straight.
and then cut right back in.
You can't go straight here.
Make a left and then I should put the cone down right here, right?
Yeah.
Lantana.
Only left.
Only lefts from here. Anybody here has got to make straight lefts.
Sorry.
Straight lefts and then cut back in whenever you're going. You got to make a left.
No,
you got to make a
left.
Guys, are we stopping them?
Yeah, just real quick.
Stop. Hold on.
No, they're good. Are you making a left? Are you going left? Yeah, make a left.
Whoa. Hold on. Biker. Hold on.
No, left.
There's wirings unhinged in the...
Alright, you want to get the fuck out of here?
Yeah.
If you ain't know, you about to understand. Yeah, I got the team by my side, right hand. Yeah, take it to a